Alright, so this is a radioactive device that can wipe out half the world. So when delivering it, be careful. Be careful. Remember, this is a radioactive device, so be careful. Okay. Can't believe I have to drive all this way to Canada. I mean, I can't even take any rest stops. I mean, what are they even gonna need it for? They're making me take the back roads? I mean, seriously? It's gonna drive me mad. Drive me mad. Like I'm driving and it's making me, that's not a pun, but it's just, you know, just a little bit of humor there. Wonder if this is the new microwave that I ordered.
Boy, this thing is heavy. Oh. Should be called a macrowave or something instead of a microwave.
Yeah. Well, anyway, after this, maybe I can make some macaroni and cheese in here. There we go. Perfectly balanced, as all things should be. Alright. Goulash. Yay! Goulash! Well, I think I'll go downstairs and watch TV while I eat this goulash. Also, since this goulash is so yummy, I think I'll put in another bowl. Let's see what's on the news. Breaking news. You've heard of X-ray, which is short for radiation. I bet you never knew that. Maybe. I don't know. But scientists have discovered a new kind of radiation, and it's called, it's called radiation Z. And it's a radiation that is so powerful that it can penetrate your skin and travel straight to the heart, and you could say that it kills you in a heartbeat. No! Too soon! Jerry. Shut up, Jerry. Anyway, so, Jerry. So scientists have discovered that one radioactive ray can kill you within an instant, but the number of rays are apparently equivalent to half the people on Earth. Strange. The source of the mysterious radioactivity has been located in Oakwood, Oklahoma, 24 Oak Street, in a house near Shady Oaks retirement home. Hey, that's my house. There's nothing radioactive in my house. The microwave! Yeah. Goodbye, world! I'm going to miss all of your funny memes. Gary, I'm turning away. How come I'm not dead yet? Siri, how come I'm not dead yet?
Because you are the owner of the microwave and it can't kill you.
So it's like Thanos Microwave, but I'm Thanos.
Yeah.
That's cool. Well, anyway, now I can eat all the Hot Pockets in the universe. Well, I think I'll go do that.
Aha! Ooh. Ow. It only warmed up half of it.
Hey, peace out, Michael here. Thank you for watching this video, Thanos Microwave. I hope you enjoyed it, I guess, and I've never actually seen Infinity War, so
Yeah.
I don't know why I made it.
Thank you to Jacob for helping us out.
Yeah.
Go check out his channel, which is linked above his head or in the end
It'll be in the
screen
end
or something.
because
Maybe we'll put a card or end screen and description.
Yeah,
But it'll be there somewhere.
it'll be in the end.
It's not going to be this guy that always says, "Is it going to be over here or here?" Maybe it's
It'll be over here.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, thank you to Jacob for playing Stanley the Scientist.
Yeah.
Stanley.
That's funny, Paul. That's really funny.
I am the funniest
You
man
have a great sense of hummus.
on the planet. Anyway, get out of my way. Bye.
Bye.